Hey foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you this amazing, delicious sorrel honey glazed ham, perfect for the holidays. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and prep our ham. Here I have a picnic ham that I went ahead and washed, pat dry. I removed that thick leather piece of skin that was on this part, and I scored the ham into some diamond shapes. Here you see me adding some mustard. I will make sure that the ham is nicely coated. If you do not like mustard, because I know a lot of people don't like mustard, you can omit. Here I will add some cloves, just place it any part of the ham that you like. It adds great flavor to the ham. And once we are done, we will add a little bit of sorrel juice at the bottom of the pan to prevent drying out. Once that is done, we will cover this ham and place it in a 375-degree oven for about, let's say, 45 to 50 minutes. Once the ham is in the oven, we'll go ahead and make that glaze. So here I have some dry sorrel. I will go ahead and just boil it for about 15 minutes or so. I will leave all the correct measurements I use listed down below. So after about 15 minutes, you want to go ahead and just drain the sorrel, and we will just use the liquid only. To a saucepan, I will add the liquid. And I will add a little bit of honey here. I will add some brown sugar, some soy sauce, just for balance. And I will add some ground cloves and cinnamon. If you want to use any other spice, feel free to do so. Once we add all the ingredients, you want to give it a stir and allow it to come up to a simmer. Now you can allow this to thicken on its own, but it will reduce a whole lot in order to thicken. I wanted a lot of the glaze, so I decided to thicken it with some cornstarch. So here I will add some cornstarch and just allow this to thicken. Once it thickens, I will turn my heat off and set this aside. Super simple and easy, but absolutely delicious. After about 50 minutes, I will now remove the foil wrap. I will just pour off some of this liquid and we'll begin to glaze the ham. I will glaze it for the first time, and then we will place it in the oven for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I will glaze it for a second time, place it back into the oven for another 10 minutes. I will do this 3 times in total. Now for the third and last time, I will base it again, place it back into the oven and allow it to go for another 10 minutes. And here you have it, my version of the most delicious sorrel honey glazed ham. If you're Caribbean, you definitely will enjoy this. It was so delicious, and I can't wait for you guys to give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. It helps the channel out a lot. I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.